Okay, 6.2, page 3 at the bottom of the page. Hopefully you've had a chance to really copy the previous one and take a look at it, talk it out with somebody or just out loud for yourself. Write down any questions you might still have, and then try number 54 on your own. And again, before you get started, ask yourself what's different. There are some significant differences here. This is asking you to take a little bit of a brain jump here, stretch you a little bit on this one. And then we'll come back for the answer in just a little bit. Ask yourself what's different, take your time, same steps we did before, then pause the video so that you can check your answer. And coming back, the answer to number 54 is negative 18x to the fourth plus 12x cubed plus 42x squared. So some things to point out for this one. There's three terms. It's not going to change. You're still going to multiply 6x squared to all three pieces. I think the big catch here is all the negatives that were involved. If it were me writing this problem out, I would do 6x squared times that. I would probably change this to a positive and make this negative so that I can just bring the positive down and do another negative 6x squared times the second piece. Again, I would change this to a positive and make that a negative 7 so I could just bring the plus sign down and I'd get negative 6x squared times that third piece. Then I'd be able to just apply all these pieces. 3x squared, negative 2x, negative 7. Now this is just the way I do it so that I don't drop any negatives when I'm trying to be extra careful. I've done it enough though this way over and over that I'm able to then keep track of all the negatives in my head and be able to do it much faster without having to write it all out. But how did I get fast? How did I get confident? How did I get sure of my answers? I did a lot of problems where I wrote every step out. So if you want to get better at something, make it become automatic, which is the goal for the exam. It should be automatic by the time the exam comes and not, oh, I'm guessing, oh, phew, I got it right. But no, I've got this. I really know this. Writing out the steps is the key every time. And then it reminds you on page 354 what we're doing for multiplying a monomial and a polynomial, which is basically distribution involving the exponent rules.